In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to lowercase in Excel. If you've ever received data in mixed or all caps and need everything to appear consistently in lowercase, Excel has a simple built-in function to handle it. We'll keep this quick and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to transform any text while keeping your original data intact. First, click a blank cell where you want the lowercase result to appear. Choosing a blank cell is important because Excel will place the converted text there without changing the original. Think of this as your output cell. It can be anywhere on your sheet as long as it doesn't contain something you need to keep. Next, type X lower A1. That's the equal sign, followed by the word lower, then an opening parenthesis, the cell reference A1, and a closing parenthesis. Lower is the function that converts letters to lowercase, and A1 is simply the example cell that contains the text you want to transform. If your text isn't in A1, replace A1 with the actual cell that holds your text, like B2, C5, or whichever cell you're working with. You don't need quotation marks around a cell reference, just use the cell address. The lower function only affects letters, so numbers, punctuation, and symbols remain unchanged. It also leaves your original cell as is. You're creating a lowercase version in the new cell without altering the source. Now press Enter. As soon as you do, Excel will evaluate the formula and display the lowercase version of whatever is in the reference cell. If the result looks the same as the original, that simply means your text was already lowercase. If you see an error, double-check that you spelled lower correctly, included both parentheses, and pointed to a valid cell. If the source cell is empty, you'll just see an empty result. A few helpful notes as you use this. The result will update automatically if the original text changes, since the cell contains a formula linked to your source. If you ever need the lowercase text as plain, unlinked content, you can convert the formula output to values later. And while today we're focusing on lowercase, Excel also offers upper for all caps and proper for capitalizing each word. Great companions to lower depending on your formatting needs. And that's it. Click a blank cell, type X lower with your source cell in parentheses, and press Enter. Clean, consistent lowercase text in seconds. Thanks for watching and happy formatting.